Hello, everybody. It is March 23rd. This is Alan with Active for Passive, Swing Trading Strategies. Let me see if I can share my screen and we'll get right into it. Hopefully you see the share there. So this is Swing Trading Strategies for the beginning trader. And as a reminder, this is not an inducement to trade. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational entertainment purposes. And most traders lose money and most beginning traders lose even more. However, our goal is to give you the tools that you can use that will help you to protect your capital. My background is been in financial markets for over 20 years, working at hedge funds, private equity firms, asset managers, et cetera, usually helping them work on building their teams and their technology around managing data, risk, and analytics. So hopefully we can bring some of that to the retail trader. So again, learning to trade safe. One of the easiest way to do that is sim trading or simulated trading or paper trading, it's called. And a site where you can do that with no cost to you is Investopedia. And not only that, Investopedia has a lot of financial terms. So if you're looking at programs, you don't understand some of the terms, Investopedia will help you immensely on being able to understand what they're talking about. Also, on Investopedia, we're going to have some competitions. The first one I have out there is Swing Trading Strategies. It is set up for the retail trader with zero commission starting out. So you get $1,000 of paper money, and then your challenge is to trade that $1,000 and make it more than $1,000. So go to Investopedia.com, join the games there, and then Swing Trading Strategies if you would like to join in. Again, paper trading will give you some real practice in the markets and experience without actually risking your own capital. So today we're going to talk about signals. Signals can come from many sources. It may be from a program you're watching on TV, such as some of the news or financial programs. It could be market sentiment that you're seeing. It could be social things that are happening. Actually, there's now an ETF called Buzz that specifically picks up social sentiment and seeks to have an exchange traded fund, ETF, that will reflect what is happening in the social space. So at the bottom, you'll notice I have signals feeding into a watch list, feeding into analytics, feeding into our risk management. It isn't necessarily a linear approach the way it's depicted. You potentially, analytics can help you filter what signals you should be looking at. So there are different ways to use it, but the key is for different signals you have, you ultimately need to define a watch list of those so that you can monitor where they're headed. And then analytics will help you determine. You'll have many more signals likely than you have capital. So which signals should you apply your capital to? And then risk management will further refine and give you an opportunity to keep your capital safe. So from momentum signals, there are a couple of call-outs I would like to give. One is warrior trading. You can follow Ross Cameron on YouTube. He's also on Twitch. We're going to look at a couple that came up Monday and see where they are today. And then FX Evolution is another one that is on YouTube and also Discord. So we are going to swap over here in a minute and actually look at those live. There's the attribution. I also like to call out Investopedia, Seeking Alpha that we'll be using, finance.yahoo.com, and plain old Google search. But warrior trading and FX Evolution, sorry about the misspelling there, also have training classes if you want to get deeper. And hopefully if you like this, please like and follow. Our goal here is to use signals, market analytics, and risk management to enhance your trading results. And remember, your best tool that you have is knowledge and education. So with that, I am going to swap over And we're going to go live and look at a couple of these that I mentioned. First of all, we're going to look at SPRT that was mentioned. We see that the 6 month, obviously 6 months shows the spike that happened the other day. I'm going to back it up to a 5-day because now we have a couple of days. And we can see that it reached its peak when it was a momentum stock. And this was on Warrior Trading. Ross was trading it as a momentum stock, actually pre-market into the market. And then we see that it has trended down since then. That again is often the case. And my strategy for swing trading is to find some momentum stocks. And again, through analytics and risk management to determine when is a position to come in, if at all. Again, I do not make a recommendation on timing on when to come in, nor do I make a recommendation on a particular stock. But what we're typically looking for is a base or a floor. If you're a technical trader, that's what they would be looking for, is that support line. And we see that it has come down here, and then it's taking a little edge up. So not going to get into the deep technicals of it at this point, and we're only 2 days in, but that is a typical kind of chart that I am looking at. Let's go over to the next one that was Monday and see what it's at. Again, I'm going to back off of the 6 month. It doesn't tell us much. And we are going to look at a 5-day. Again, there's the momentum spike. It dropped. It did go back up again. It dropped, and now it looks like it is trending back up again. So again, we're always looking for support. And if you want more about charting, there are courses that you can look at for technical charting that will help you much more with that. I'm going to go to one that came up today that is just on a watch list today. And this actually came up. Let me look at my notes and make sure that I had this correct. Yeah, this was on FX Evolution with Tom. And we see that, you know, that picked up. Actually, it's been going up since the 22nd, and it has dropped down some. Look at a 1-day. And again, we see where it has reached lows and it's at another low. So again, the strategy of swing trading is to find a good entry point and then find a momentum stock that has future and allow you to use that going forward. So with that, there is one more that we're going to look at, and it's Dolphin Entertainment. This is an NFT, and you will see it's been trending up. Took the spike here, and on the 1-day, we will see that it spiked up, went down, spiked up, went down. So it does seem like it is, you know, going off lows and highs. Again, no advice on either a particular stock, but these might be some that you're considering for a watch list for momentum. Again, momentum is just one strategy, but hopefully that gives you an idea on momentum. So again, this is Alan with Active for Passive. And if you like this kind of analysis, please let me know, give comments, and please like and follow. And we'll continue to look at different signals and ways to use market analytics and risk management to preserve your capital. Safe trading, and remember, knowledge is the best tool in your toolbox. Thank you. Have a great day.